So I would like to introduce myself. My name is Kashif. I am from India, Mumbai. I have somewhere around 15 years of practical IT experience. I work as architect. I completed my master's in information technology, and I am a Microsoft certified professional. I have expertise on various platforms like Intune, SCCM, Active Directory, Azure, PowerShell, application packaging, Microsoft 365. In total, I have 10 years of teaching experience wherein I have trained more than 40,000 students globally. These are my website and email address. So that's about me, guys. Let me take you to the next slide now. So yesterday we did the overview session of Microsoft Intune, just a quick demo session we did, right? Wherein we discussed about the historical background of Intune and what is the core feature of Intune. So I'm going to quickly cover them, what we did in the last session. So Intune is a Microsoft product which is released by Microsoft in the year 2010. So this is a Microsoft product since 2010. So it's been 15 years this product is there in the market. So it does, the core feature of Intune is to do MDM, mobile device management, and mobile application management. So it does MDM and MAM. So in mobile devices, it manages various operating systems like Windows 10, Windows 11 devices, then MacBook, right? Android, then Windows Phone, then iPhone, iPad, plus Linux device. So it manages those operating system. Plus you can manage mobile applications, right? So you can do what? You can do device policies, deployment, device inventory, device wipe, application push, device configuration, etc. Similarly, you can do application management like app policies, then app wipe, app configuration, app self-service. So the core feature of Intune is to manage mobile devices and manage mobile application. These are the two core feature of Intune. Now, how Intune manages devices all over the globe. So Intune manages devices all over the globe based on the enrollment. So you have to enroll the device into Intune. Like you have Windows 10, Windows 11 devices, MacBook, Android, iPhone, Linux. So you need to enroll them. So let's say 5,000 devices are in Chennai, 10,000 devices in London, 20,000 devices in Mumbai. Similarly, in other locations. So from each location, we have to enroll the devices into Intune. And from Intune, you can control these devices. Okay, you can control all these devices from Intune portal. So you can deploy policies, application updates, compliance setting, device wipe, upgrade, and number of things you can do on mobile devices and mobile applications. Now Intune services, where are the services running? The services running on Azure Data Center. So Azure Data Center is present in more than 50 or 60 countries now. Almost everywhere you will find Azure Data Center, and Intune services are running in Azure Data Center itself. Now, what is data center? This is the outside view of the data center, like a big building, and inside that building you will have multiple floors, right? Multiple floors are there. This is the inside view of the data center. So data center will have containers. These are containers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 containers are there, right? And then 6 6 containers. So you will have like hundreds of containers or 500 containers. So dedicated containers for Intune is called Azure Service Fabric Cluster. So Azure Service Fabric Cluster that will have hundreds of containers or thousands of containers, right? In those containers, dedicated Intune services are running. So basically, each container has high configured servers. As you see, these are racks, and each rack has high configured servers. So when you create your subscription will get created in any one of the rack. Okay. So you basically get a space, and that space is dedicated to you. Nobody else will have permission to access that space. Okay. Now this is the high level diagram of Intune architecture. So Intune is designed by Microsoft. You don't have to do anything here. Microsoft is the one which has done the designing part, and they are maintaining it as well. You don't have to do any maintaining task or designing task. It is all done by Microsoft because it's a SaaS kind of product. Software as a service. Software as a service. So like Gmail, you just create your subscription and you are all set to go. So you basically get what? Web console here. So when you create your Intune subscription, you get web console, and from there you connect to Graph API, and Graph API is connected to Intune services in the backend to configure devices, then protect data, then manage application. Okay. Intune has various integrations with Microsoft ecosystem. So like Microsoft Entra ID, then SCCM configuration manager, then it has integration with Apple App Store, Google Play Store, Microsoft Store, Windows Store, right? Plus SCCM has integration with Microsoft Defender for Endpoint as well. So it manages what? Mobile devices like Windows, Mac, Android, iOS, iPad, Linux devices. Plus it manages mobile applications like iOS and iPad and Android. So in this diagram, you don't have to do any designing part or removing or adding anything. It is all done by Microsoft and they are maintaining it as well. So just for your understanding, this is the high level diagram. We will see later on when we do the practical. Okay. Now Intune has various competitors like Mobile Iron, Workspace One. There are various competitors, but Intune is moving like a monster in front of this tiny competitor. Intune is a monster. Almost all big size and medium size organization, wherever you go you will find Intune. Big size and medium organization all over the globe, whether you are in India or outside India, you will find Intune in almost everywhere. Now why Intune is best choice for organization? Because it is easy for deployment, it has integration with Microsoft ecosystem, unified management, SaaS architecture, cost efficiency, cross-platform support, automation and efficiency, remote work enablement, comprehensive device management. It has security and compliance, configuration profile, application management, conditional access. It has more feature than its competitors. It has simplified device enrollment and provisioning, and updates and innovation. These are the factors why Intune is the best choice for organization. Okay. Now, why Intune is best for you? You know why you should learn Intune? Because it is a matured product. For the past 15 years, this product is there in the market. It is implemented in almost all big size and medium size organization. You have good vacancies all over the globe, good salary. People are earning somewhere around 50 US dollar per hour. Some of my students are earning $80 per hour as Intune administrator on level 2. Okay. Those who are in India, you can expect a salary of 8 lakh per annum, 800,000 per annum Indian rupees. That's the average salary. Now, who can learn Intune? Anyone from IT or non-IT background. So if you are a fresher, you have not um, worked on
Hmm.
Intune or any other IT
Digital.
platform, put yourself on mute, guys. So
Sorry.
you can still learn Intune. Why? Because it is pretty simple. Intune is very simple. Unlike SCCM, SCCM is like very complex technology, right? Or other Microsoft products. But Intune is pretty simple because it does not have any coding languages. No programming languages are required. You don't have to learn any C, C++, Java, Oracle, or anything. Online resources are available. If you are facing some challenges or issues, you can simply Google it out and you will get n number of websites which will guide you how to fix or how to achieve your task in Intune portal. Good career path, you can make your career as Intune administrator, like level 1, level 2, level 3, architect. So you have good salary scope, good vacancy, good career path. Okay, that is the reason why you should learn Intune. Now, Intune is not free. It is um, basically you need to purchase Intune license. So there are few types of license. Either you go with Microsoft 365 suite license, or you can go with this standalone license. This is standalone standard license, or enterprise mobility plus security. So this is also one of the options. So there are three options. So generally people are using in this one, Microsoft 365 E3 or E5 license. Okay. If you would like to take standard license, that's also okay. You need to pay $8 per user. $8 per user per month. Okay. $8 per user per month. You have to pay to Microsoft. Now, today we are going to do start the lab setup. Okay. So I will guide you, each one of you, to start setting up your lab. So how will you do the lab setup? So you need a computer. So either it is going to be a desktop or a laptop. So you need either desktop or laptop. Now on that computer, the operating system should be Windows 10 or Windows 11 on your computer, or MacBook. If you have Mac OS, that's also okay, but I will recommend you guys to use Windows 10 or Windows 11. You have 8 GB RAM. Minimum requirement is 8 GB RAM, then 4 core processor and 100 GB hard disk space. That is the minimum requirement. Okay. Minimum requirement is 8 GB RAM, 4 core processor, and 100 GB hard disk space. So that's the computer requirement. Now, in order to create your subscription, you need Visa, credit, or debit card. Visa or Master, basically. Visa or Master, credit card, or debit card. But I will recommend you to have credit card. Okay. Now, you need to have a mobile phone, Android or iOS. Okay, for multi-factor authentication. Plus, we will do the enrollment of this device as well. So, what is our goal? The goal is we will create our Intune subscription. Okay, we'll create our Intune subscription, and then we will create a virtual machine here, VM, Windows 10 or Windows 11 virtual machine. inside this laptop or desktop and enroll that device into Intune. Similarly, we will enroll mobile device into Intune. Okay, and we will be deploying policies and configuration and then application to these devices to see how the things are done in the organization. That's going to be the lab setup, guys. So tell me who all have this minimum requirement. Anyone who is falling short of this minimum requirement? Hmm? Yes or no? We have 5 people. Abhishek, what is your status? Do you have minimum requirement?
Yes, Kashif.
What is the configuration of your computer?
I have a Windows 11 OS along with 16 GB RAM, and I have almost around 150 GB of free hard disk space.
Okay, and processor?
It's Intel i7.
Okay, good. So you have the prerequisite. You have a debit card or credit card?
I do have a debit card, but I don't have a credit card.
Okay, is it Visa or Master?
It's a master.
Visa, Master. Okay, fine. So you are all set, Abhishek. Now, what about Gaurav?
No, sir, I don't have any subscription and this type of setup in my head.
No, no, no. Subscription. I'm not talking about subscription. I'm saying, do you have the minimum requirement as I mentioned here on the slide on your computer?
Yeah, I have Windows 10 machine. I with 16 GB RAM and i5 machine with the 500 GB hard drive.
Okay, good. And the processor?
I
i5.
i5, yes.
i5. Okay, fine. Then Vasant, what is your status?
Yeah, I have, but laptop not right now with me.
Okay, but you can arrange it later on, right?
Yeah,
Okay. What is the status, Shivan?
And for me, have Windows 11 Enterprise
Mm-hmm.
and RAM is 128 28 gig,
Mm-hmm.
and the processor is 11th generation Intel Core 7, Core IE7,
Okay, good. So you
and
already
capacity of around 1 TB.
okay, so you already have ample amount of configuration.
Yeah,
Good,
all good.
good.
And I have
Um,
also
mm,
what's this VMware Workstation 7 professional version for
okay,
the.
okay, good. Syed,
Hi, good morning. So, Mr. Sajid, I'm having 8 years of experience in IT industry. So, I started my career as a support engineer, and later on, I got placed into an infrastructure engineer. And from there, I got a chance to work with the cloud provider like Azure and AWS. So, in my current company, we're having a multi-cloud architecture where 60 to 65% is Azure, and the rest is AWS. So I joined this course because recently I got a chance in cloud security as a cloud security engineer, and I am finding um, it difficulties to configure Intune policies. So as a cloud security engineer, I need to manage devices, prepare security policies. So I'm uh, that much confidence to create a policies
It's
inside
not
Intune.
clear. We cannot hear him.
Hello,
your
are
voice
you
is
not able to
breaking up,
hear me?
Syed.
Yeah, the voice is not clear.
It's like choppy,
Yeah,
breaking up.
that's
Is it okay?
Mm,
Yeah, that's what I said. In current company, just facing issues in working with the Intune. So I just joined this course to understand Intune implementation architecture better way. So that's
okay. I understood, but your voice is like breaking up. So probably there is some issue with your mic or headphone. I don't know. So you probably will have to check. Now, so I think you all have the minimum configuration uh, to do the lab setup. So I am going to take you through the lab setup. Okay. So basically, each one of you will have to set up your lab so that we will be able to do theory plus practical together. Okay. So whatever we do in the production environment, like day-to-day activity, we will try to replicate the same thing here in the lab environment. Like we will be deploying application, then we will be deploying policies, configuration, then we'll be deploying Windows Autopilot, then integration of patch my PC in Intune. So almost all administration tasks we will be doing, so that we will have ample amount of exposure in Intune. So as soon as you start working on Intune, it will be very familiar with you. So you will not be stuck while working on Intune profile. So first of all, what you have to do, each one of you. So who can share your screen right now? Like Abhishek or Gaurav? No, Gaurav, you said you don't have the computer right now. Huh? Or Vasant?
Me.
So you guys need to go to tinyurl.com/links for MECM. This is the website. Everyone, each one of you will have to go to this portal, tinyurl.com/links for MECM. It is
Sorry, can you please paste this link in the chat box?
okay. Chat box. Okay, I gave it to you guys. tinyurl.com/links for MECM. I gave it to you on the chat one as well. So when you go to this link, it's gonna take you to my Google Drive sheet. Okay, Google Drive sheet. Now in here, you need to download a couple of things from here. So I'll tell you what you have to download. So you need to scroll down and look for point number 124. Row number 124, that is VMware Workstation Full 17.6.2. Okay. Shivan, you don't have to download this one because it's already there in your computer. So each one of you need to go to this row number 124 and copy the link or click on the link, this VMware Workstation. That's gonna take you to the VMware Workstation download page, and you click on download.
I have a little older version, but
That's
17
okay. You can
looks like,
continue. You can
yeah,
continue
that's
with the older version. That's not a problem.
okay.
Okay, download this one. So first, let me open Notepad and write down the steps for today. Okay. Today is 2nd March. Topics. So today we are going to we have discussed about Intune overview. Point number 2 is download VMware Workstation. Okay. I hope you guys have downloaded it. Yes.
Yes, Kashyap.
Then download Windows 10 ISO image file. Why Windows 10? Why not Windows 11? Because Windows 10, we will be installing Windows 10 and we will see how to upgrade that from Windows 10 to Windows 11. Okay, we will see how to upgrade that one. So in production, in organization, you might have some Windows 10 machine to upgrade to Windows 11 so that you can get some clear picture and some exposure how to do the upgrade. So download Windows 10 ISO image file. So let's go back to the same portal and you have Windows 10 126, row number 126, Windows 10 Pro. You need to click on that and then click on the link and download Windows 10 as well. So you have to download this one as well. So you need to download what? VMware Workstation and Windows 10 ISO image file. Okay, two things are required, guys. VMware Workstation, Windows 10 Pro ISO image file. Windows 10 is gonna take some time because it is a big file, like it's about 5 GB. VMware Workstation, I think it is downloaded already by now,
Yes.
right? So one of you guys share your screen. Abhishek, you share your screen so that everyone will
Sure.
see what is going on.
Give me just a moment.
Vasant is like connecting again and again. What happened? You have internet issue, Vasant?
Sorry, some network issue.
Okay. You have to share the entire screen, then only we will be able to see you. Right now, I can see only the Google Chrome browser.
Okay, give me just a moment. Let me
Yeah.
reshare.
Uh-huh. Okay, now I can see this complete screen. Okay, guys. So is the VMware workstation downloaded or not yet?
Yes, it's downloaded.
Very good. And this one is going to take another 5-6 minutes, the Windows 10 one, right?
Yes.
Okay, so we have to install this VMware workstation. Okay, double click on VMware workstation, everyone. You need to install this. Now, wait a minute. In case if you guys are facing some challenges to watch the session and do the same thing on your computer screen, if you have two monitors, then it's fine because on one monitor you can watch and another monitor you can perform. But in case if you are facing some challenges on on one monitor itself, then you can join this meeting from the mobile phone as well. Okay, from your iPhone or Android, you can join the meeting on your phone or tab or from another computer. So on that machine, you can watch what is going on, and on your computer, you can do the same task. So you need either you need two monitors or you need two different devices so that you can watch on one device and do on other device. So that all depends on you guys, how you manage, you decide. But that is just a suggestion. Or if you have a big monitor, then you can split the screen into two and you can watch on one of them and do on the other one. Okay, so let's install this VMware workstation. So go to download folder and double click on this VMware Workstation Pro and wait for a few seconds. It is gonna give you the pop-up for
There's a prompt for
installation.
confirmation.
Yeah,
Okay, I hit yes on that.
okay. Now this is the wizard which will help you to install VMware Workstation. So let's click on next, everyone. Click on next. Check the box, I accept the license terms and condition. Next. So we'll leave the default checkbox on. Let's go next and leave the checkbox on and go next and then next, install. So you just have to go next, next, next and install. It is pretty straightforward.
All right.
Have you built any Windows 10 machine before, Abhishek?
Yep.
It was 5 to 6 years back, but not like recently. When I worked on this VMware, but not at the not recently.
Mhm.
But I did like both Windows and Linux.
Other people, have you built Windows 10 machine before?
Of course.
Okay, good.
The VMware was installed.
Okay, VMware is installed. Now let's go to the desktop and you will see the VMware.
Here it is.
Double click and open that one. Has anyone has any issues? Hmm? You downloaded the Windows 10 ISO image file. Is that done? Can you take a look?
Yep.
Sure. I think yes, it's done.
Okay, so now it's time to build a new Windows 10 machine, and that's gonna be Windows 10 Pro. But later on, we will change that to Windows 10 Enterprise, because in production, we generally have either Pro or Enterprise. Okay, so you have this option called, okay, first of all, I would like to see the configuration of your computer. So in the search box at the left
All
hand
right.
side, down at the bottom, search box, you need to type in system information in the search box down at the bottom.
I think
Not,
that's already open,
Okay.
that what he shows.
yeah, click on system information. Now here, the first one is operating system name, and that is Microsoft Windows 11 Home single language. That is the operating system. So either you need to have Windows 10 or Windows 11. Anything will work, guys. Anyone using Mac here? No one. Good. Now, you need to have processor with minimum 4 core processor. So you already have 16 logical processor. Below, click on the processor tab. Yeah, so the processor, you have 16 logical processor. So it is more than sufficient. Okay. Then
All right.
scroll down and you will see the RAM. How much RAM is there? It is 16 gigabyte of memory you have in your computer. Minimum requirement is what? 8 GB.
8 GB.
So you are already good on this one. Close this. Next thing is you have to open File Explorer like a folder. Open and go to this PC. Yeah, so you are under this PC. You have how many? 142 gigabyte of space is there.
Yes.
So this is also more than sufficient. So according to the requirement, you have everything for the lab setup. So in case if you guys are using C drive and D drive, or multiple drives are there, so you have to choose the drive which has more space. Minimum requirement is 100 gigabyte free space. That's a minimum requirement. Okay, let's close this. Now we will build a new Windows 10 machine. So in order to build a Windows 10 machine, you have to click on this option called create a new virtual machine. Yeah, we will go with typical and then choose next. Now here we have the last option which says I will install the operating system later. Okay. And then next. Now this session is also getting recorded. In case if you stuck behind or left behind, then you can watch the recording and do the same thing after the session. But I would recommend you guys, in case if you are facing some issues, challenges or left behind, you let me know now so that I can bring you on the same page. Now, Microsoft Windows, because we are doing Microsoft Windows 10, right? Below, the
Yes.
version is Windows 11. Let's change that to Windows 10 64. Yes, X64. That is going to be the operating system. Next. Now, the name of the machine. So you can have any name, but I will recommend you to use the company um, naming standard. In company, in organization, in the production environment, generally we give the name like the 3 letter of your city, right? Let's say Mumbai,
Okay.
so it is going to be MUM. Then W means Windows, or if it's a Linux, then it is going to be L, right? W, and then it is going to be either it's a physical machine, then P, otherwise V for virtual machine, or VM virtual machine, Windows virtual machine, and then 001. So since you are in Mumbai, this machine is in Mumbai, so we are giving the name as MUM, the first 3 letter of the city. W means Windows, VM means virtual machine, 001. This is our first machine. Second machine will be MUM WVM 002. Third will be 003, then 4, then 5. So it will continue the count. Okay. Now,
Okay.
below location, so you have to go with the same location. In case if you would like to change the location to D drive or E drive, where you have more space, then you can do it. Otherwise, leave it default. Let's go next.
Yep.
Now, size, the hard disk size. How much size would you like to give to this machine? So let's give 80 gigabyte, 80. Next.
And the option should be the same one, split
Same
virtual
default,
disk into.
default. Yeah.
Okay.
Now, here you have customize hardware. Let's click on customize hardware. Now we have to give extra more RAM to this machine because 2 GB is not sufficient for Windows 10. At least 4 GB is required. So give 4100. 4100. So more than 4 GB we are giving to this machine. Now processor, 2 processor is sufficient. Okay, 2 processor is okay. We don't need extra processor. Now we have to click on add down at the bottom and choose trusted platform module, TPM chip, the last one. Virtual machine must encrypt and use. Oh, add option is not there. Okay, let's cancel this.
Yeah.
And
Right.
close this first. Close.
Sure.
And then finish. Wait. Now we have to edit the virtual machine setting. So click on edit virtual machine setting. Now go to options on the top. Now this machine is going to have secure boot needs to be enabled so that we will be able to upgrade this machine from Windows 10 to Windows 11, and EFI needs to be enabled. These are prerequisite for upgrading an existing machine from Windows 10 to Windows 11. So 1 minute, somebody calling. Okay, now here click on advanced down at the bottom. Now here UEFI is already enabled, but you have to enable the secure boot. So enable that secure boot. Okay, so these things are required for upgrading machine from Windows 10 to Windows 11. One more thing is we need to encrypt the device so that we will be able to enable the bit locker on this device. Bit locker is a technology to encrypt hard disk of the physical laptops, right? Generally we encrypt laptops in production environment. So let's see, click on access control at the left hand side and then choose encrypt and choose any password of your choice in the below and confirm password. So same password, and make sure so you can put the computer password. If you have computer password, you can put the same password here and make a note
Okay.
of this password. Otherwise, if you lost this password, then this device, you will not be able to unlock the device. You have to delete this device. So make a note of your
Understood.
password, like on a either send it to yourself on WhatsApp on your to yourself on your WhatsApp, like encryption password, and put the password there. Okay, and click on encrypt. Now this is gonna help you to enable the bit locker on this device. Okay, bit locker, which we will see later on. Let's click on hardware now. Up, hardware.
Here we go.
Now here you add TPM, trusted platform module. The TPM is added. Okay, this is a hardware which helps the computer to get encrypted. Click on OK. So these things are required for the device to get encrypted and upgrade the machine from Windows 10 to Windows 11. Now one more thing is needed, and that is the CD disk. So click on the CD DVD SATA. Yeah, click on that. And here you choose the use ISO image file and browse the ISO image file from the download folder. The Windows 10, yeah, that is the one, Windows 10 ISO, the one which you downloaded, and click
Okay.
on OK.
So sorry, I just you click on.
Can you show again?
Can you?
Sure.
Okay, you
From here, I just chose the option
you click on
browse.
the CD. Okay.
Yes,
And then
then choose the image file that I just downloaded,
no,
and
just
then
before,
choose.
sorry.
Oh, sure. Here,
Yeah. Okay.
choose the
The first
option
one is
use IS image file, then hit
okay.
browse.
Okay. First.
Okay.
Please.
Now it's time to power on the machine, but we will not power on the machine directly. I will
Okay.
show you how you have to power it on. You need to right click on the machine name, MUMWVM, up, yeah, right click, and then choose power, and then choose the last option, which is power on to firmware. We will go to the BIOS of this machine basically.
Okay.
Yeah, choose that. Do not show this hint again. Check the box and click OK. 1 minute, 1 minute, 1 minute. Could not create anonymous paging file. Insufficient system resources exist on the complete request service. Fail to allocate main memory. Oh, so how much memory are you utilizing? Can you go to Task Manager?
Sure.
75% memory you are utilizing. CPU is okay. Go to details below, details, and sort by memory. Sort by memory. Sort by memory. Yeah. Chrome. Okay, let's close Chrome browser.
Oh,
You can close
I
it.
am on that browser only, like connected to the
Oh,
Teams meeting through the
oh, okay,
browser.
okay. You have not downloaded Teams application?
Oh, I did, but for today, I just chose the browser option to attend the meeting. I can swap to the application and join
Yeah,
again.
swap. Yeah, swap to the application because Chrome is like consuming a lot of memory.
I understand. Give me just a moment.
Hmm.
Hello.
Yeah, you share your screen again.
Sure. Can you see my screen now?
Yep.
Okay.
Hello. Can you see my screen now?
Yeah, Edge browser is also consuming some memory. You can close Edge browser.
Okay.
MS Edge. Yeah. What else?
Sure. Let me go back here.
What is this MS Edge View 2? Yeah, what is the first one?
This is also the related to the Edge browser, I believe.
Okay.
Hmm.
Okay. So let's try close this task manager.
That kicked me out of the meeting.
Oh, that was Teams meeting. Okay. Okay. Let's close this task manager now.
All right.
Minimize this. Click OK and right click on this machine again and power on firmware. Okay, now it's working. So you see, we have to choose the second option using your first you have to click on that using mouse and then use the keyboard to select. Yeah, and hit enter couple of times. The SATA disk, SATA DVD drive. No, the second option. Second.
This one.
Couple of
Okay.
times. Hit enter. One more time. Yeah. Okay. Good.
The setup appeared. Should I proceed by clicking on next?
Yes. Next.
Keyboard, not United States. Response with keyboard.
Choose. I don't have the product key.
You said we are going to set up the Pro version or the Enterprise version?
Pro. Windows 10 Pro. Yes. Next. And then check the box. I accept license terms and condition. Next. And the second option, custom install Windows only. Yeah. And then next. Okay. Give me 1 minute. What is your status,
It is still
Shivan?
setting up.
Almost the same
Okay.
state.
Vasant?
Because if I already told you, right now I don't have a laptop.
Oh, okay, okay, sorry. Sayed? Gaurav?
Actually, I don't have the laptop currently, so I will arrange that and then I will install it, both the software. I will check the same recording and then try to perform the activity.
Okay.
Yeah, thank you.
In case if you face any issues, challenges, you message me
Yeah,
on
sure.
WhatsApp.
Definitely, I will let you know.
Okay.
Okay. Language.
Choose your
Start with
region,
the
India.
it's nothing. Choose.
Keyboard US, yes. Skip.
W. 7. Yeah. Is this the right keyboard? No. Please choose it. Skip.
Okay, here we have two options. The computer, either you you use this for personal use or organization. So we will use the second option, organization. Okay, now here we have option to sign in, but we will not sign in because we don't have the subscription. So we need to take snapshot of this machine. What do you mean by snapshot? It's a backup kind of thing. So in case something goes wrong in the future, we can come back to this stage anytime. Okay. So let's right click on the machine and then choose a snapshot and take a snapshot. And type in the name of the snapshot as blank machine.
Should I proceed?
Yeah, take snapshot.
So where it will save the snapshot in this virtual machine?
No, it will save the snapshot in the folder of the virtual machine. Okay, in C drive of your laptop. Got it?
Okay.
Minimize this computer. Minimize and give me control, Abhishek.
Sure.
Okay. I'll show you where the snapshot files are saved. Okay. Somebody asked that question. So basically your snapshot file will be saved here under, I think in the documents, you have VMware virtual machine. Inside virtual machine, this is the folder mumwvm001. That's the folder, and your snapshot file, the blank machine snapshot, and all the files, basically everything is stored here. As you see the snapshot file here. Got it? Clear?
Yeah, got. Yes. Thank you.
No worries. So the virtual machine is ready now. This machine is ready for the use. So like a laptop is given to a new employee, and he will be given the username and password to log in, right? The new employee will log in. But for that, we need subscription. So let's create the subscription. Do you have the debit or credit card, Abhishek?
Yes, I have that with me.
Okay. So I will let you know how to create your subscription, but you have to stop sharing while you are entering your credit card so that nobody will see your
Sure.
credit. Okay. Now minimize this machine. Okay. So today what we have done, we have created the virtual machine. The virtual machine will be enrolled into Intune, and we will be supplying policies and configuration profile and all on that virtual machine to see how it goes. Now we need to go to Google, and in Google you need to type in Microsoft MS 365 E3 free trial license. So we need free trial license for of this product Microsoft 365. Why 365? Why not just Intune? Because if you take Intune standard license, you know, a standalone license, then you have to take uh, Entra license separately, then Windows license separately, then other license separate. There are other things which are required. So it is better to take the suite license. The suite license is basically gonna cover everything what we need. So we need this one which says Microsoft 365 E3 no teams. So I'm gonna click on that.
Wait. No teams.
And
I don't have E3. No teams. There is no teams. License.
now in here we have try free for 1 month. So 1 month, 30 days free trial. We don't have to make any payment. It is free of cost. Plus, we will extend the license for 30 more days. So total, we will have 60 days free trial from today. Today is what? 2nd of March.
Second, yes.
So you will be able to utilize this for the next 60 days, free of cost, no payment, nothing. The only thing is you have to cancel your subscription 1 day before the expiry, before your subscription is getting expired. Okay. So you need to click on this try free for 1 month.
Sorry, just a quick one. Trial license. I don't have the without teams.
Okay, go, let me show you. You need to go to google.com browser.
Trial and
You need to type in MS space 365 space E3 space free space trial space license.
Maybe I write Microsoft. Maybe I don't know. Okay.
Only E3 have the free trial license, or E5 can have the same?
E5, you can take E5 as well, but E5 does not give you the free trial. Only E3 gives you free trial. E5 is like paid license.
Okay.
Can
don't
you?
have with.
Okay,
No,
don't
no.
worry. Don't worry. Just copy this link and then put it
Yeah.
in Teams chat so that you
Yes,
can take
please.
it from there.
This is strange.
Okay, I gave it to you on the
Okay.
Teams chat.
Perfect.
You can copy. Okay, 1
Perfect.
minute. Somebody is there at my door. Let me come back, please.
Okay. Okay. And this is India. He said try for free for 1 month, right?
Yes.
Okay, we can go. Oops. Mhm. Mhm. Oh, shit.
Okay, guys, I'm back. Sorry. So the link is given to you guys. Now you have to come to this link and then choose what? Try free for 1 month. Okay. And in here,
Yeah.
you have enter your work or school email address. Have you created your Intune account before in the past, Abhishek?
Yeah.
No,
I think
not for
it
me.
takes me to the company portal directly.
Okay. So if you have already created, then you will have to use different email address or you try in the incognito mode. Okay, incognito mode.
Okay.
Shivan, or different browser.
Yeah. I'll try different browsers.
Okay. And here you need to type in your email. So it has to be a new email address if you have already created your subscription in the past. So new email address, new phone number, and new credit card. Okay. Now
New
type in
phone
your
number.
new other phone number, like your
Uh-huh.
family member phone number, or the one
Right.
which you have
Okay.
not used it before.
Mm, that will be a problematic. Okay.
Next. Now it says looks like you need to create a new account. Let's get you started. So you have to click on setup account.
Okay.
Now here you need to enter your first name, surname, job titles, and everything. So let's do one thing. Let's unshare your screen.
Sure.
Stop sharing. Okay. Yeah, we don't see anything now. So go ahead and type in those details like your first name, middle name, surname, phone number, then the address. Okay. And then go next. And keep us
All right.
updated. You know what you are doing. Just tell to everyone what you are doing right now.
Okay, I'm now just filling out the business phone number, company name, and everything.
Okay.
So I'll let you know as soon as I hit the next option.
Yeah.
Mm.
So I'd have to agree to both of the conditions. Are they mandatory? Like I
No,
would like information tips
not
and
mandatory. Not mandatory.
okay. Then I'm unselecting both of them.
Hmm.
Switzerland is not in the list of countries.
Free trial is not available to you.
No.
Okay. So the link which
I'm
I
on
have
to the
given to
next
you,
page.
that
Is
link does not
India.
have the free trial.
Yeah.
Okay. You
Okay.
yeah you are on the next page, Abhishek.
Yes, on the security check tab, where it is giving me options, text me or call me to verify.
Okay.
I'm choosing
Okay.
the option text me.
Okay. Shivan, you share your screen. Let me see what do you see.
Okay. Let me share that and not this one. I think should be this one. Do you see my screen?
Yes.
I just fill this and
Uh-huh.
my phone number. I
Uh,
say company and private use
Uh-huh.
and
Sorry to interrupt. I'm getting
one.
an error like, oops, we are having trouble verifying your phone number when I entered the number.
Okay.
That's
Let's
strange.
when you choose here. The problem is if I leave it India, they will clash with the number.
No, you have to put your country. Where are you
Yeah,
located? Geneva,
yeah, Switzerland.
Switzerland.
That's
So
that should be somewhere here. SW. No,
Switzerland is not there.
no,
Wow.
that's strange.
Which no, this phone number works in any other country or only in Switzerland?
Oh, it works any other country.
No,
Maybe
originally
let's
this.
try. Yeah.
Okay. You have Geneva option there.
No, 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 not Geneva, but there should be Switzerland here, but there is nothing. And let's see any European countries.
Okay, that's strange.
Yeah.
You have taken a subscription before?
Yeah, but every time I do something, I cancel. I delete my account.
That's fine, but Switzerland was there last time.
Yeah, because there was not E3, I think, whenever I try. French, Polynesian, or even none of European countries are here.
Abhishek, you are getting that problem. You do one thing. The laptop is connected to Wi-Fi.
Yes.
Connect to the hotspot from your mobile
Okay.
and then
Let
try
me
again.
do that.
Go back to the previous page and then next once you are connected to the Wi-Fi hotspot.
Sure.
Maybe what's if I try United Kingdom?
United Kingdom. But that is
Yeah,
+44, right?
yeah,
What is your number, the area code?
+41.
+41.
Yeah, this
+41 is only for Switzerland or any other country?
no Switzerland.
+41 country code. Country code. Let me see. Switzerland or
Yeah,
the International Telecommunication Union assigned this code to Switzerland.
yeah.
So, common area code in Switzerland, Zurich 43, Geneva 22.
Yeah. That's a local one.
Okay. Hmm. Do you have Republic of Switzerland or Federal Switzerland as I mean something like that?
It's just Switzerland.
No, no, no. Can you see the drop down? Click
No,
on the
there is
drop.
nothing.
Up, go up. Republic of Switzerland or something.
No, it's called Switzerland. It's not a republic. Neither democratic nor republic.
Okay, 1 minute. Let me Google it out. I do not see Switzerland option
in E3
option
option.
in MS while creating Microsoft E3 subscription.
Mm.
Cannot change country. I do not see. As a result, Office 365 so its teams will no longer be available to meet the new in Switzerland. Oh,
No.
new subscription structure for this is basically this is not available in Switzerland. That's the reason you don't get that option actually.
Yeah.
Oh, so wait a minute. We will take another one then.
Hmm.
Teams license. New subscription structure for Microsoft 365 in Europe. So since August 31st of 2023,
Ah,
this is they have changed something in Switzerland. Do you have European Economic Area? European Economic Area?
yeah, economic, yeah.
Can
It's
you click on that in the
no,
country
no,
or
no,
region?
no, no, no. Wait. No, no, there
Euro
is no
no,
European
European,
economic.
yeah,
I don't think. I don't think.
European economic. Scroll down a little bit.
It's Equator, Estonia, European, French Polynesia. These are French Polynesians and
No,
part
no,
of
scroll
the
up,
French,
scroll
but
up, scroll up. Huh. European. No, no, no. Okay.
no, no.
Let's try Microsoft 365 E5 license. Let's see if
Okay,
that is
go back.
available. Uh,
MS 365 E5 license.
Abhishek, what is your status?
I was able to proceed by switching the browser to Edge, and now I'm at the page where it is showing how you will sign in,
Mm.
domain name, password, and confirm password.
So, username, you choose a short name, only first name like Abhishek. And
Okay.
domain, you are in HCL, right?
No, I'm working for Oracle Cerner.
Okay. Okay. So try domain as Oracle 1 or because Oracle is already taken by somebody. So maybe Oracle 2 or something like that.
Sure.
So free trial, type in Microsoft 365 E5 free trial. Is that available?
No Teams.
Click on that.
What?
Click on that.
Maybe. Okay. Try friend.
This is Office 365.
Ah,
Office 365 is not needed. We don't need
yeah,
Office
yeah.
365. Okay, let's go type in
Wait.
Intune free trial. Intune free trial. Intune free trial. Maybe this will be available. Scroll down. Click on this try Microsoft Intune for free. Scroll down a little bit. Scroll down a little bit. Up, little up. Click on Intune setup account page. Abhishek, you will have to go next and put your credit card details. Type in your
Yes,
email
at the moment
activity.
it is creating account.
Setup account. First name, middle name, last name, phone number. Can you check the country first before entering the details? Is the country available?
Mm,
Switzerland.
SU. It says here.
Okay, good. So Intune free trial is available in Switzerland. Strange, but they have made these
Is
changes on
there any
2000.
difference?
Yeah, this is standard license. We are not taking the suite license because that is not available to you.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. So choose the website. Select up just above region Switzerland. You have to click on the drop down.
Where?
Below.
Here.
Yeah. Choose no website. Click on next.
This is the information tips and
That's
other.
okay.
Okay.
Click on
Call
send
me, text him.
verification code.
Okay, send. Let me just get my telephone number. What is that?
Is that phone already used last time or the new phone number?
That's already used.
Okay, probably it is not gonna let you create. Okay, fine.
Let's try.
Send verification code.
Yeah, send.
Abhishek, your status?
I'm almost done filling out the payment method details.
Okay. It might detect 2 rupees from your card, but that
Okay.
will you will get it refund. It will come back again. Now here
Seems
you have to
okay.
type in, here you have to type in only the first name. Don't type in the complete first and last name. Make it
Yeah.
short. Make it short. And the domain short domain name. Short domain name like int. Type in int trn
GRM.
n
Right.
for November. No, int and then rn. int only
INTRN.
rn. Yeah. Let's click on save to see if that is available. No.
No.
Try 7. Try 7. Save. Is that available? Yes, that is available. Okay. So choose your own. Type in your password of your choice, but make a note of this password somewhere on your WhatsApp number or anywhere.
Okay.
Next.
Just a second. Intune password.
And yeah, next.
Okay.
Now it is asking me to enter my PAN ID number as well.
Yeah, type in your PAN card number, Abhishek.
Yes.
GST is okay. You don't have to enter the GST, but PAN card is mandatory.
And should I also fill that out? And just below there is the option
Yes.
registration number.
Yes.
Okay,
Same
there
thing.
too.
Same thing.
Just to
Now
get my card.
stop sharing.
Okay, I'll do.
You stop sharing.
Okay.
And put your card details after stop sharing. Sean.
Okay. Let me just finding my credit card.
So this license is only for 25 users, or we can add more
Stop
users?
sharing.
25 user only, free trial.
Okay.
Credit card is maybe not this one. Maybe use a different one. Is that this more different? Change it.
And now I got the pop-up. We are adding products to your account. This will take a minute.
Share your screen again.
Sure.
Next. Click on next. Okay, so it says download one application on your mobile, that is Microsoft Authenticator. Everyone, you have to download this one on your mobile. Microsoft Authenticator on your iPhone or Android device. You have to download this one.
Okay.
Next.
So I have the app installed. So I'll just scan the code.
Yeah, scan this QR code and add this account.
Account added successfully. I can see
Click
my
on
account
next.
here.
Click on next here, and it's gonna give you a pop-up on your phone. You have to enter this
Yes.
31 on your phone.
Approved. Okay, let's see.
What did we say?
Ah,
Get started or manage your subscription?
Manage your subscription. Next.
Okay, what?
Done.
Manage subscription. Go. Your product. Okay.
Check the box. Do not show this message again, and then yes. Now wait a minute, Abhishek.
I
yes.
think.
Copy this username. That's your Intune user ID. Abhishek at Oracle 13.onmicrosoft.com, and
Yes,
send it.
I copied it
Okay.
in the notepad as well.
Say so. You need to send this one and the password on your WhatsApp number just to save.
Sure.
So on your WhatsApp, type in Intune user ID and password, and in that type in Abhishek at Oracle 13.onmicrosoft.com and the password.
Let me do that quickly.
Can I share quickly just to show you something?
Yeah, share your screen.
You see my screen? This,
Thanks for
which is
signing up for Microsoft Intune. Your username. Have you saved this username? Siobhan at
no.
intrn7.onmicrosoft.com.
Yeah, I
So
just confirmed this just to register my credit card.
okay, so you have to save this username. So put your copy this Siobhan at
Okay.
intr upper one, not the below one. Yes, that one. That's your Intune account. Copy
Okay.
and put the password as well to save it,
Okay.
because
Okay.
you have to use this all the time.
Okay. And then here, get started.
Get started.
Okay. 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 That was the same. And 30 days free trial, I think.
Okay, Abhishek, you share your screen.
Yeah.
Sure.
Make a note of your username and password. Why I'm saying it multiple times? Because if you lose this, you will not be able to recover it.
Mm.
Okay. Now that's your
I
email
have saved
address.
the
That's your.
credits.
You have saved it.
Hmm.
Okay. Give me control, Abhishek.
Sure.
Now this subscription is gonna get expired on 2nd of April after 1 month, but we will extend this subscription for 1 more month,
Mm-hmm.
like 30 plus 30, 60 days. So
Okay.
we'll go to this start using Microsoft 365, or you can type in what? admin.microsoft.com. admin.microsoft.com. That is
Okay.
your
Yeah.
Microsoft 365 admin center. Now what
Yeah.
is this? What is this portal? This portal is basically to manage license. This
Mm-hmm.
portal is for managing license and bill payment. So overview of below sites. Point number 1, admin portal. This one is admin portal, right? The use of this portal to manage license and make payment. Okay, that's the admin portal. Second portal is the Entra portal. So you need to go to entra.microsoft.com. Entra.microsoft.com. That is your Entra ID portal. Now, why we need this portal? We need this portal for authentication. So Entra portal. So every day you have to go to these portals. Okay. To this is
Okay.
for user and device authentication.
Okay.
As you see on your virtual machine, on this machine, you see you have username to enter. So when you enter the username, your request will go to the Entra portal for authentication, whether the username is
Yeah.
correct or incorrect. So Entra portal is the one which will authenticate your user accounts. So your employees, for example, you have 10,000 employees. All the 10,000 employees account authentication will happen from Entra portal database. Entra portal is like a database which contains user and device information and for authentication. Then the third portal is Intune portal. Okay. I think I'll have to Intune.microsoft.com. This is the third portal, and most of the time you will be going on this portal, Intune portal. Okay, copy and then put it here on the notepad.
It asks me to action required and authentication,
Yeah,
Microsoft
so you need
Authenticator.
to
I have it on my
download.
account. I
Okay,
have it already, I think.
okay, so go next and then scan the QR code from your mobile.
You can't scan it.
This
From
is
with authenticator or
with authenticator. This is to manage device and application.
yeah.
Now we
Let
have
me
three different websites, guys. Admin portal for license management and make payment to Microsoft. Entra portal is for authentication, user and device authentication. And Intune portal is for device and application management. Now let's go to an admin portal first. This is your admin portal in admin.microsoft.com. Now we will check the license, whether the license which we have taken is proper or not. So let's go to the billing here at the left hand side and your products. That's going to show you which license you have taken. So we have taken Microsoft 365 E3 license, right? That's the license we have taken, right? And how many licenses we have total? 25 quantity. And we are consuming one license out of it, and available license 24. So out of 25, one license is being consumed and 24 license is available. Okay. Now let's click on this Microsoft 365 E3 and you will have to click on Intune Plan 1, Chavan.
Just second. You are in billing, right?
Yeah, under billing you have your products.
Yeah.
Inside your products you will have to click on the product name. You will have Microsoft Plan 1, right? Microsoft Intune Plan 1. We
Yeah.
have 365 here. So I'm going to
Yeah.
click on 365 and we have extend end date. Right now it is going to get expired on 2nd of April, but
Okay.
we will extend this for one more month, like 30 more days. So let's extend
Okay.
this and then choose
Okay.
extend trial.
Okay. Okay. Extend. I saw the credit card option and extend the trial. Can we do this multiple times?
No, no. Microsoft is not going to allow you. Okay. Now, so it is gonna get expired when? In the month of May now, 3rd of May.
Yeah.
3rd of
Yeah.
May. So
May.
you see, we have extended this for 60 days total, and till
Yeah.
60 days, you don't have to make any payment. Nothing is required. All free, right? For 60 days. After 60 days, you will have to pay somewhere around 2,800 plus taxes per user per month. Okay. So now what you do, everyone, each one of you, those who have created your account, you need to set a reminder on your mobile. Set a reminder on your mobile, Abhishek.
Yes, I'm doing
Otherwise
that
you will
this month.
otherwise you will lose your money, guys. So I will not be responsible for that. Set a reminder on your mobile for 4th of, no, not 4th, 2nd of May.
Second,
2nd of May. Set a reminder for 2nd of May to cancel the subscription. So 2nd May is Friday. To cancel the subscription.
done.
So on 2nd May, you come here and click on this cancel subscription. If you would like to continue using it, that's your choice. But if you don't want to get paid, get charged for this one, then you cancel the subscription.
Sure.
Otherwise, they will deduct amount from your this card, the card which you have given. Okay, all clear? Now, at the left hand side, we have few options like licenses. That gives you that which license you have, how many licenses you have, total 25, and one license is consumed. Then bills and payments. So here you will get the invoices and payment method, the one which you added, the credit card or debit card, whatever it is. So that's gonna you will get the payment invoice here, and you have to make payment every month. Automatically it will deduct every month. Then billing account. Okay, so this is the billing account information, payment method, then billing and notification. So billing notification will be sent to this email address. Okay, every month you will get the notification. Now at the left hand side we have user and active user, and right now we have only one user, that is Abhishek. Abhishek at oracle13.onmicrosoft.com. That's your account. And this is the one which you used to create your subscription. So by default,
Yes.
that user gets license. So the user who creates the account gets the license. So similarly, Sean, you got the Intune license.
Yeah.
By default. Okay. So the license is now given already to this one. Now the next thing is Entra portal. So Entra portal is for authentication. So user and device authentication happens from here. For example, if you go to user and then all user, you will see the same user, only one user you will see, and the same user, Abhishek. And here you have sign in logs and audit logs. Let me click on sign in logs. You will see whether this user account was authenticated successfully or not. You see, there was some interruption. You know, you were while you were adding your credit card or phone number, it was giving some interruption or something. I don't know.
Yes, of the phone number.
Yeah. So, but it is success later on, all success, and you can see from where this authentication is request is coming. So date and time, then request ID, then correlation ID, single factor authentication, and it was successfully done. And you can take a look from where. So location. So it is coming from Bangalore. Are you in Bangalore right now?
Yes, at the moment.
You are from Mumbai, right?
No, I'm from Kolkata, but working from Bangalore.
Okay. So you are in Bangalore. That's the reason it is capturing that details that your request, the sign-in request of this account is coming from Bangalore. And this is the public ID, public IP of your computer. So this is the public IP. Let me show you the public IP of your computer. So what google.com, that's your router ID basically, router IP. What is my public IP? It's gonna be same thing. So checking IP. Yeah, this is the
Yes.
one. 203. I have copied it. 203.192.253.73. That's your router public IP address. And the same thing is giving you here. Sorry, Entra portal. You see?
Yes.
Got it? So it gives you the details, then device information. So it's coming from Edge browser. I think you are doing it on Edge browser, right?
Yes.
Then authentication details, previously satisfied, true. Then conditional access, no, we haven't given any condition. So required for multi-factor authentication. That was the conditional access, so that you had to scan the QR code and all. So it gives you some authentication information, right? So let's now coming back to um, Intune portal. Now the last portal, Intune. Intune is the main portal. All the time you have to be on the Intune portal. You will be performing everything from Intune portal. So at the left hand side, you have user, the same user you will see, only one user you will see in here as well, Abhishek. So these three portals are in sync. All these three, admin portal, Entra portal, and Intune, all of them are having the synchronization in the backend. So they are taking the data from the same database. So Intune also shows you one user, Entra also shows you one user, and admin also shows you one user, same user. Okay. Now Intune portal, if you go to the tenant administration, that's going to show you where your tenant is created, your subscription. Your subscription is created in India 01 data center. I was discussing about the data center. So your subscription
Yes.
gets created where? In Azure data center. So Azure data center has has some code, right? So each data center has some code. So India data center 01, that is somewhere located, I don't know where exactly located. So you can go to Azure Microsoft website and take a look, where is this India 01 data center located. So they will probably give you some information, probably in Chennai or Hyderabad or Bangalore, or I don't know. So your subscription is basically created here. Similarly, Sean, you
Yep.
your subscription probably in Europe 01 or Europe 2 something. I don't know where exactly
No,
your
Switzerland.
Switzerland. Okay, so that
Switzerland
is in
0901.
okay. So that's the data center code basically. Now this is the tenant name. Tenant is like your domain, your property. Nobody else will have permission to access that one. Only you are allowed to access that one. Okay, that's your domain, your property. MDM authority is Microsoft Intune. MDM means Mobile Device Management Authority. Who will manage devices? Intune will manage devices. Service release. What is this? This is the version of Intune. What version are you using? So you are using 2502. That means 2025, and 02 is February. That's the latest current month version. Every month it will get upgraded. How many licenses you are consuming? One. Total
Yeah.
licenses 25 you have received.
And how much it costs us if we continue using it per month?
You will have to pay somewhere around $8 US dollar per month per user.
Per user? For example, if I'm the only user, I pay always $8
$8 plus taxes.
taxes. Okay, fine.
Okay. Now, so that is your tenant details. Now let's go back to your admin portal. In admin portal, when you go to show all, down at the bottom you have show all, and then you have inside show all you have uh, setting, and inside setting you need to click on this domains. Now what do you mean by domain? Domain is like your property, like your brand name, like google.com is a domain, yahoo.com is a domain, right? Microsoft.com is a domain. Similarly, this is your brand name, like your shop name, oracle13.onmicrosoft.com. That's the default domain name. Everyone will have a different domain name. Two people cannot have the same domain name. Now, this is given by Microsoft. Either you go with this domain, Microsoft domain, or you can purchase a new domain.
Mhm.
Do you have domain? Have you purchased any domain, guys? Anyone?
I think
Not
it's
me.
expired mine. I used to have one.
Okay. Since you guys are in IT, my personal suggestion to you guys, you should have a domain and your website and your custom
Mm.
email address. Okay. It's not
Mm.
going to cost you much. I'll show you. So you go to GoDaddy, that's the domain registrar page, GoDaddy, and here you can search your domain, search your name. I don't know why it is not maximizing. Yeah, okay. So what comes to your mind? For example,
Show one.
huh?
Show
Sherwan.
one.
Okay, sh.com.
EWAN.
Is
Dot
that
CH.
available? That dot
CH.
th
CH. C. 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 Yeah.
ch.
Yeah. That's Switzerland.
Oh, okay, Switzerland. That's
That's
available.
Confederation of.
That's
Okay.
available, and it's gonna cost you
per year.
1,314.91 rupees. This is in rupees. You will have in your local currency. You check at your end, you will have it in local currency.
Okay.
Okay. Now we will
Yeah.
try, for example, abhishek.com, but it is not okay. It's not available. Abhishekpro.com is available. Abhishek.ltdclub.com. These things are available. So we will have to take the cheapest one. This is not mandatory. If you don't want to take it, that's okay. Okay,
That's
for example, we will take
$15 in Swiss.
okay, try the cheapest one. You will find the cheapest one. Okay. So you see abhishekpro.com. That is what that is gonna cost you. It says 1 rupee, but when you go there, it will give you some more extra something. What is this first year?
Yes.
Abhishek.ltd. Try this one. Let's see. Abhishek.ltd. Okay, I'm gonna take this one as well. Okay, let's see. So Abhishek Pro, let me add this to cart, and then Abhishek Ltd, add this to cart. Okay, and what else? And this one as well. Okay, let's see which one. We will take the cheapest one if you allow. Okay, other it's not mandatory, and then continue. So let's see. So you have full domain protection. No, we don't need any domain protection because it will be expensive. So no domain protection needed, include with domain. Okay, no thanks. So nothing is required extra. Continue to cart. Now Abhishek Pro, as you see, it was giving 1 rupee, right? Now it is giving
Yes.
3,000. So I'll change it to 1 year. 1 year, how much? 999. So you see, they are giving some wrong information. I don't know why they are doing it, but 999 is for 1 year. So if you take it for 3 year, then only they will give you 1 rupee.
It's almost the same.
Almost the same. Okay, so
It's
I
still
don't know.
not giving that.
Okay, fine. So 1 year. So I'm not gonna take this one. Why? Because this is expensive. This is 999, which is expensive. So I'm gonna delete this one, Abhishek Pro. Second one, I think we can take this one, Abhishek Ltd. Okay, or you can go with this one, which is 1674. Which one you should try? Tell me, Abhishek.
Let's try the cheapest one.
Cheapest one, good. So full domain protection, no, nothing is required. So 174.56, that is the payment you have to make. So that is okay, I think, Abhishek. And then click on proceed to check out. And now
Is
let's
it like
see. It will
auto,
add taxes. Huh?
like is it auto renewal or do I
No,
have to
you
renew it
no you
manually?
you can cancel auto renew.
Okay.
Click on this continue with Gmail, Google. Type in your Google account. Continue. But this is optional step, guys. You don't have to um, take this one. 174 no taxes, right?
Yes.
174.56. Estimate after billing information, estimate taxes, nothing is added. So are you okay to take this one, or it's up to you, Abhishek?
Sure. We can definitely try it out.
Okay, so the domain name is abhishek.buzz, right?
Yes.
Okay, so enter these details and then go next and try using the GPay or any other payment method and make it, and
Sure.
stop this sharing.
Certainly.
This will give you some industry exposure, how people are doing in the production environment, how they are adding their domain, because people in the production, they will not use the Microsoft domain. They will always have their custom domain like hcl.com or oracle.com or msci.com, right? They will have their personal domain rather than Microsoft one. So once you are, once you purchase, you share the
Yeah,
screen again.
you know
Sure.
this 175 for you is 180 $1 $8 here, but when
Mhm.
I check it, it's like $16 for me from here.
No. Try different name. Try different name. Shawan.com is like very expensive. Try
Not
different.
the name, but I think the location. When you try from Swiss and from India, it's not the same price.
Yeah, it will not be the same price. Yeah, they are
Yeah,
charging based on the region.
yeah, they try to be fair.
People are rich there in Switzerland.
Not me. Can I transfer for any of you? You can book for me. Ah, no,
Oh,
it's
India.
yearly. No, that's fine. No, leave it. I don't need it.
Okay.
Uh, Let's go. That
Take the cheapest one, okay?
one.com. One.com should be cheap.
I will reshare my screen.
Hmm. You purchased the domain?
Yes. Can you see my screen?
Yep.
Yes. So uh, do one thing. Uh, take the photo of this one. Oh, 223 they added the taxes.
Yeah, they added taxes.
Oh, okay. I didn't know that. Okay, fine. That's okay, I think. So you take a photo of this one and send it to yourself as a backup
Sure.
and type in the
So,
photo, that's below the photo, GoDaddy, GoDaddy username, GoDaddy details.
give me just one moment. Done.
Done?
Yes.
Okay. So let's click on continue. Is ready based on your domain. We have built coming soon page. Okay, they have built a website for you. Okay, publish. Click on publish. Your website is now publishing. What is the website? Abhishek.buzz, right? Let me
Buzz.
see.
Yes.
Click on continue. Abhishek.buzz. Okay, so it will take some time for me because the DNS will get updated all over the globe, right?
Yes.
So probably after like a few hours from now, once my DNS, let me update my DNS forcefully. 1 minute. Run as administrator and ipconfig space flush DNS. Okay, I hope this website is gonna work now. Not yet. It's not working. Probably after few hours, it will start working because we just created this website. So fine. So give me control. Customize a website for Abhishek. Customize the coming soon for view site.
I tried accessing the page from my mobile and I could visit the website.
Okay, it's working on the mobile. Let me see.
Yes.
Abhishek.buzz. Okay, so on Wi-Fi it did not work for me. Let me try the mobile data.
Yeah, I'm on mobile data. Sorry, I
Uh,
forgot to
uh,
mention that.
on mobile data it's working. Yes. So on Wi-Fi it is gonna take some more time for this to get updated because the DNS takes time. Fine. So we have taken this domain, right? Now let's add this domain. Okay. So we have Oracle 13.onmicrosoft.com, but we will add our custom domain. So add domain
Just a
and
second. I just created one for me as well. So
you created
so that so I buy one.
how much did you pay?
I pay it's discount instead of 35. I pay 3.
Okay, good. £3, right?
That's £3, 3 euro.
30.
And
Okay, good.
I don't know how to get it. Then
You need to come to uh, the down
the
at the
company.
bottom in the
Wait,
admin center, admin.microsoft.com.
no, I mean the one I bought is
No,
completed
that is
order.
GoDaddy. You have
No,
already taken.
I'm not from GoDaddy. From one.com.
You have taken from one.com.
Yeah,
Okay, so you have taken from a different
yeah, exactly.
domain registrar. Okay, fine. So you need to come down here and then at the
Uh,
left hand side in admin portal,
okay,
admin.microsoft.com.
and
And then you have to click on show all down at the bottom. And then you
yeah,
will have under setting, you have domains.
okay,
You
yeah,
need to click
and
on domains and then add
add
domain.
domain.
Uh,
Okay,
and here you need to enter the domain name abhishek.buzz, or you
okay,
have to enter
one
your domain.
dot ch, one dot ch.
Use this
Okay,
domain.
yeah.
Now, when you do that, it is gonna identify that this domain is purchased from GoDaddy. You see, it says
Mm,
sign in to GoDaddy. But for you,
okay,
it will not be GoDaddy. It will be something else. You see, sign in to GoDaddy. So I'm gonna click on verify. It will connect you to GoDaddy. So enter your password.
continue. No, it's a different one for me. It's text txt
Hmm.
ttl blah blah. Okay,
Wait,
verify.
wait a minute. You
Okay,
need to use this
yeah.
Google because you are
Ah,
using Google account.
Okay, we cannot find any server DNS.
Well,
Okay, maybe
sure.
it's not synchronized yet.
Yeah. So accept. you need to connect. So click connect to authorize Microsoft to enable the services domain proof that you are the owner. So you have to prove the ownership that you are the owner of the domain. So connect. Could not complete the connection between your DNS hosting provider and Microsoft DNS. Microsoft, please try again. Issue hosting. Okay. So let's open command prompt. Run as administrator and click on yes.
Yeah.
Type in ipconfig here. Space. Yeah, / flush DNS. Flush DNS. Enter. One more time. One more time. Let's do it. Okay, close it. Now let's refresh this page. F5 on the keyboard. Nothing works.
No.
So verify. Connect.
Oh, this time I guess it's working.
Okay, so let Microsoft add your DNS record. You see, Shivan, you have to add manually, and here it is gonna add from the Intune portal. I mean, admin portal itself. That's the difference, because it has integration with GoDaddy. So I'm gonna click on continue. So if you want email as well, then you add. Otherwise, you can leave it as it is. I'm gonna leave it as it is.
It says incomplete setup.
Right.
Yeah.
And then connect.
Okay, I start. What did you say? Let Microsoft do it? No.
And done.
There is no option that.
You see, this is now healthy and default domain. Is that clear, everyone?
Yes.
Let me try again.
Abhishek.buzz. That's
Verify.
your domain name.
No, we cannot find any server, any DNS server. Blah, blah. Okay.
You try after some time, Shivan.
Yeah, okay. I'll try this because I use PayPal to pay, and maybe it takes time for the transaction. Let's go.
So as of now, if I created any one user, so what is the name of my new user?
I'm coming to that. Wait. So first
Sure.
one today, what we have done, we have download Intune overview. Intune overview. Point number 2 is download and install VMware Workstation. Point number 3 is download Windows 10 ISO image file. Build a new Windows 10 machine. Okay, build a new Windows 10 machine. Point number 5 is take MS 365 E3 free trial subscription. Point number 6 is extend the subscription for 30 more days. Point number 7, set a reminder to cancel the subscription. It is very important, guys, otherwise you will have to pay for it. Subscription on 59th day. Okay, before expiry. Then point number 8 is the overview of below sites. Next point is Okay, point number 9. Purchase new domain from GoDaddy. So we have purchased a new domain. Then add new domain in admin portal. Point number 11 is create new user manually. Now you have only one user right now, and that is, let me go back to user here at the left hand side, and in user you have active user. So we have only one user, that is Abhishek, and that is oracle 13.onmicrosoft.com. If you want to change this domain, you can do that, but keep it as it is. For new user, or new employee, you will always be creating on abhishek.buzz domain. Okay, I'll show you.
Okay.
So add a new user, so like your new employee who joined your organization. So this user domain is abhishek.buzz. By default this comes. Somebody asked that question, I think Gaurav. So
Yes.
abhishek.buzz is the default domain. For example, we will name it as Peter Parker. Anything, just the name, guys. So the name of the employee is Peter Parker. Display name, and now username. So username, we always keep short name and small letter. So Peter is going to be the employee name, and either you automatically create the password of this account or manually. So I'm going to manually create, and don't change the password at first login. And here you have to type in the password. For example, India@123. Okay, and let's choose this one. Require user to change password. So user will have to change the password after first login. So password is what? Can you minimize it, Abhishek?
Sure.
Okay, so this is India@123. Okay, you have to make a note of it. So the user ID will be user name Peter at
Abhishek.buzz.
abhishek.buzz, and then password India@123. That's your employee account.
Yes.
Then next. Then when you go next, it is giving you the location. Where is this user located? In India or UK or Switzerland, or where? You have to choose the location of that user. So I'm going to go with the default India. Then would you like to give license to this user? If yes, then you
Yes.
can choose the checkbox. Otherwise, you can leave it as it is. So I'm going to leave it as it is, and then choose this one option, this option, create user without any product license. So right now I'm not giving license. Okay,
So if we
next.
choose any license, then the Peter should be an admin user.
No, not admin user. Peter will get license, these 49 application license, you see below. Peter
Yes.
will get license to these things. Okay, not admin. Clear?
Sure.
Next, let me don't give license. I'm gonna choose create without license. Next, and then if you would like to assign role, like Peter is from help desk team or from desktop support team, then you can assign role. I'm going to leave it as it is. Next, and then finish adding. So close it. So this user, let's refresh. This new user, Peter Parker, account is created, and his account is peter@abhishek.buzz. So we are no longer using Oracle 13. But in order to log into this portal, you will always be using this one, Abhishek at Oracle 13.on Microsoft. In order to log into these three portals, because your domain is the old one.
Yes.
Okay. But in case if you would like to change the domain of this account, you can do that. You can click on that, but I will not recommend you guys to do that. And then you have option to edit manage username and email address. I think this is the one, and here you can change it. Okay.
Mhm.
All right.
But don't do that. Now you see how much time it took to create one account, at least 5 minutes. So we don't have to create account manually. We will choose create new employee account using bulk operation. Or if you have on premises domain controller Active Directory, you can synchronize the data here in the cloud, and all the on premises domain controller Active Directory data will show up here. Let's say on your domain controller you have like 10,000 users account there in
Mm-hmm.
Active Directory database, so they will get synchronized here automatically. So right now we don't have domain controller, so we will choose this option, the bulk option, the second option which I showed you.
If automatically synchronized, then how license will assign?
License assignment, you have to do it extra, separate a step for that.
Okay. Thanks.
Now, so bulk option is not here in the admin portal. Export user bulk option is not here in admin portal. That option is there in Intra and Intune portal. You can create from either Intra or Intune portal. So let's go to the Intra portal. Now here, I'll go to all user here at the left hand side, and you see the Peter is showing up here in this portal as well, because all these three websites will take the data from the same database. So Peter account is created. Now you have option to create a bulk user. You see bulk operation. But for that you need Excel 2019 or 2016. If you have Office 365, then it is not gonna work. Well, let's try bulk operation and then bulk create, and then click on download. When you download, you will get this CSV file. Okay, let me open the CSV file. Oh, you don't have license or what?
No, I do not have that.
Hmm?
I do not have the license.
Okay, so let's
And to
activate
continue
this.
for free.
No, let's activate this then. So very good. Don't personalize. Finish. Can we still use it? Huh? Enable
I
editing.
believe so.
Get started. Enable
No,
free
just
editing. Okay, wait a minute. Let's activate this product. So in order to activate, instead of using Abhishek Dasgupta at gmail.com, we will sign out. Okay, clear? Excel. Let's open Excel. Abhishek, you there? Abhishek? Looks like his machine is
Yeah.
disconnected or restarted. I don't know what happened.
Is this his machine or yours?
so.
Abhishek?
I'm still in the call.
Oh,
Okay.
okay. Okay, so I was not able to hear anything from your end. So Excel. Okay, let's activate this product. But you can activate only for 60 days.
Yes.
Yeah, you can't use it more than that. So sign in to create, sign in or create account. So sign in, paste. So you have to use what? This one, the Intune account. Got it?
Yes.
Next. but you are using Office
Which is
365 basically. So I don't think that's gonna work, but that's okay. You know, activation will happen, but the bulk option will not be created. Let's see, sign in. It's gonna ask you for no, click on sign in to this app. Is that done? Ah, it's
oh,
done. It's
active.
done. It's already done. Accept the license, accept, and then close it. So this product is now activated for 60 days.
Yes.
Okay. Very good. Let's close this. And then open the file which we downloaded. Download. Where is download? Yeah. And then open. So now it's not gonna give you any issues. Okay. Close this. So you have, I don't know whether it's gonna work or not because this is your Office 365 Excel and which does not work basically. So you need to select all the file by selecting this. You know, you need to click on this and then double click on this line which is there between A and B. So it's gonna expand the file like this. So they have given you example required field. These are the required field. The first one, the second one, the third one, and the fourth one. These are required field. So I'm gonna delete this one and delete this one. Password is remain the same, and this is gonna be no. So now first name. What will be the name of the user? For example, Superman. Second, you can type in anything of your choice. Then Iron Man. Then Batman. These are your employee names. Okay. Then
Spider-Man.
Spider-Man. Yeah. Spider-Man. Okay.
What did you
What
do
else?
to separate all this? Comma delimited. You just click under AB.
Double click between A and B column, you see, to
Yeah.
expand this one.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay. This is always the same. Okay. The B is too long. The A is too long.
Mm.
And you delete the third row, right?
Mm.
Okay.
Okay, these are your employees. Now their username. So we will keep only first name for each one of them. So it's gonna be super at what will be the domain?
Abhishek.buzz.
Right. Abhishek.buzz. Then the second one, IRON. Automatically it
It's
will
auto
give you the
filling out.
suggestion. Yeah. So hit
Yeah.
enter. This is IntelliSense working. So it has given all the proper information. Now we will copy this password and paste it here for all of them. No account will be enabled. Then first name. So type in super, then iron. Yeah, automatically filling it up. Then last name, man, then man, and it's not filling it up automatically. AKHTR. Now it is filling up. Okay. Then job title. Now the first person is let's say analyst. Okay. Architect. Then senior analyst. Then associate. Then senior associate. Then vice president. President. Then senior vice president. Then executive director. director, then senior executive director, then senior architect, then managing director. Okay, so we have given the job titles of these users. Now the department. So some people are from HR, then some people are from IT, then some of them are from finance, right? I'm trying to simulate it as a production environment, guys. Sales, sales, research, research, then development or developer. Uh, so there are some departments. Okay, research, sales, finance, HR, usage location. Some of them are from India. um, then from Australia, then can you tell me the spelling of Switzerland? SWITZERLAND.
SW Switzerland. Yeah.
Is that
Sweet.
correct?
Yeah.
Then United States. Then United United Kingdom. Okay. Street address, we'll leave that as it is. State is okay. Country, let's copy and paste. The usage location is very important and country is also important. However, these are not mandatory fields. Sorry. Then city. So Mumbai, then Chennai, then
Toronto,
Toronto,
Ontario.
Ontario. Okay, Ontario, Ontario. Okay,
Sydney,
Australia, Sydney,
Perth.
Melbourne, MELBOURNE.
Yeah,
Is
yeah,
that correct?
exact. Yep.
Yes.
Okay,
Geneva.
Geneva. What
Yeah.
else?
United States, New York.
No, no, no.
To
It's
Geneva. Lausanne. LAU
LAU.
S
Uh,
A
A.
double NE.
Okay, good. So the United States. So it is gonna be New York, then California, and United Kingdom,
DC.
London.
That's United Kingdom. Okay.
Okay, so these are the city where people are located. So rest everything is okay. I'm gonna leave as it is, and this is the password, my password 1234, and I need to click on file and
Save
then
it.
save as, browse. Oh, let's do one thing. It sometimes it does not work. So what I will do, I will click on save simply without doing save as. Okay.
Okay.
And when you do save, okay, so I'm going to click on save again and then
Close that.
go, no, go back to Google Chrome, sorry, Edge browser, and upload this file. Upload this file. Very good. File got uploaded without, so don't save
Okay.
as until this gives you any error. So if it gives you an error, then you go ahead and change that save as and try saving it as CSV file. So submit. and you can click on this to see whether the users are created successfully or not. So I'm going to click on that. So let's go ahead and see.
Refresh.
It's frozen now. Abhishek, you there?
Yes, I am.
Looks like you have two SIM on your mobile or something.
Yes, I am.
Is this
I
connected
have two
to?
SIMs.
Is it connected to Wi-Fi or mobile hotspot?
Let me quickly check. The Wi-Fi. Yeah, Wi-Fi.
Wi-Fi, okay. Because sometimes it freezes. Okay, so you see 11 success without any error. So when you go back to all user here at the left hand side, you will see that your user accounts are created, and all of them are created under abhishek.buzz. Is that clear?
Yes.
So for example, if I click on any user, for example, Rahul Dravid, and see the information about this user, whether all the information is correct or not. So edit property and then all. So this user Rahul Dravid, right? Senior architect, that's the job title, department research. Then he is from United States, right? And city, California, right? Usage location, United States. So everything is proper. All good?
Yes.
But it's not categorized by group.
No. Group we will see later on. Okay. Now, if
Okay.
you would like to export this report, you can check the box and you have this option to.
So in this time, they all the user have don't any license.
No, license we have not discussed about yet. We are just creating the employee account.
User only.
So download user, you can export the list by clicking on download user. Okay.
All right.
Now that is going to be your assignment, guys. You have to
Okay.
create at
Mhm.
least 10 users. So that's going to be your
Okay.
assignment. So assignment, create 10 users using bulk operation, as I showed you, bulk
Mhm.
operation, and send screenshot in the WhatsApp group.
All
I
right.
will create a WhatsApp group today and add you guys in the WhatsApp group. Okay. So those who are not part of the WhatsApp group, you need to send me a message after this call. So I'll add you to the WhatsApp group. Okay. So these are the things which we have done in today's session. License assignment and other things we will do on the upcoming session, which is going to happen on Saturday, 10:30 India time. So we'll stop right here, and you can power off this machine as well, which
All right.
not
So same process.
power off, power off. Yeah, that's it.
We didn't use it yet. So
No, we have no. You don't log into this machine. We will log in on Saturday.
Sure.
okay.
I'll just keep it as it is.
Yeah, with any one of the user account from here, the one which we created. Okay, guys. So far, I hope you guys understood the concept, how we are proceeding.
Yeah.
I'm trying to make it as simple as I can, so that from scratch, people, when you start up a company and hire people, hire employees and then create their accounts, then give license to them, then give computers to them. So I'm going in that direction step by step, guys.
Okay. Thank you so much.
Okay, guys. So those who have not enrolled to this session yet, you message me on WhatsApp that you are going to continue the class.
Okay.
So I will let you know the enrollment process and the payment details and all. And I will create a group, add you guys in that group. Okay.
Okay. Good day.
Sure.
Bye bye.
Thank you.
Make sure you complete the assignment and send in the WhatsApp group after completing.
Okay. Perfect.
Bye
Bye.
now.
Certainly. Thank you.